Yeah, whole ass nigga, you ain't nothing but a cheerleader. In the hood doing donuts in the two-seater. No pat down in the club like two-heater. Take a nigga soul on the motherfucking corn reaper. I ain't going back and forth with the little bitty bitch. No, they call me Big Lotto, so I pop bitch. Get her knocked out, checking hoes out the hit list. 30 bitches deep and they out with the shit.
Y'all, it's your girl, Shodney. I wanted to start this video out by giving a huge shout out to Wild Thoughts Secret Hair Co. for sponsoring today's video. They recently sent me over 2 bundles and a matching frontal to install and review here on my channel to show you guys some bomb hair deals, because we all love some hair deals, do we not? So this bundle I'm showing you right here is the Brazilian Loose a Body Wave bundle in 24 inches. They sent over 2 of these. The bundles are super soft. It is super silky to the touch. I love how easily it glides between my fingers. So far, I have not experienced any shedding when I comb or brush through it. I absolutely love it. Frontal she sent over is also a loose body wave. It is 20 inches long and it also has 150% density. Thank you so much, Wild Thoughts Secret Hair Co. for sponsoring today's video and being the first business to be featured in my small business promo series right here on my YouTube channel. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Shodney, and I'm back with another one. And today is Friday. This kind of where y'all usually see me, but I'm on my way to get my hair done. About to get my first frontal sew-in. And I'm kind of scared, to be honest, but we're gonna see. I had this huge afro. I got this afro thing going on, period. I'm kind of feeling the fro. Is it just me? You can tell I just took my braids down, and you can see all the buildup on my shirt.
Bluetooth connected.
Anyways, like I said, I have a hair appointment today. I'm going to be getting some bundles installed as well as a frontal. Now, this is not my very first sew-in, but this is my very first frontal. So I'm kind of scared, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I've seen so many women that wears frontals on a regular no longer have their edges. So I'm just gonna take it as maybe the person that applied their frontal just didn't know what they were doing. So I made it my business to make sure that the girl that I have doing my sew-in with my frontal today is one of the best here in Rockford. I already have the hair. I showed you guys the hair in the last clip. That was before I got my braids taken down, but now my braids are out. I am rocking a fro, and now I'm on my way to the shop. We are here. Let's put this bonnet back on because I kind of look crazy. But yeah, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be looking good, okay? It's the confidence from me. I don't mind getting on camera looking like this because I know what y'all finna see next. But yes, she's here. Got this jacket. And oh shit, I don't even roll my window up. Oh, let's go. I kind of like this afro. I don't care. It's cute. It needs to be washed bad. You can tell I had braids in my hair for a while. All that product buildup. That's not cute. That is not cute at all. You think so? I done had braids for the last 4 months. I've been going back and forth between styles. So I'll take it out. I should take my glasses off. I'll take them out and get a whole new style. Take them out, wash them, get a whole new style. I look like my mama. Ugh. Reckon?
So you might want to keep listening.
Oh, that smells good.
You'll get a free month of Pandora music without any ads. That's all your
Now I look bald head.
with 0 interruptions. At the end of your
You took my afro and dulled it down. It don't look big no more.
$5 a month. One of the best deals out there.
You think I need a trim? I ain't had one in about 6 months. That's bad. That is so bad.
You said it's been 6 months?
Y'all done messed up the whole head. Oh my God. Girl, I got a fat ass. Oh my God, I'll be roasting myself. Period, friend. Look like I'm about to go to jail with these jail braids. Going to put on my eyes?
No.
I've been seeing that on YouTube.
The same Black Friday prices just earlier on thousands of new deals before they're gone. Score the absolute best savings.
I ain't heard that saying in a minute.
My mom is the same way though.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
You hear me? Need a different kind of milk now.
I can't watch that or I have nightmares.
But no, like for
Raw
real.
ass.
Like it was just one dream, like for real. Kind of more stuff.
That's my favorite monster.
He, and here's the thing, if you watch a real interview with Frank Sharon, he acts just like and he even doesn't say nothing.
So what's the first thing that Jack Kennedy does?
Like a lot of girls gotta have meetings and shit. Or he coming out and he all
Shit
bloody
is
and
brother.
stuff.
Yes, you see that part where she's like, go
He might
like
just
that.
Attorney General.
Leave your shoes.
Well, there we go, Frank.
Pretty. It's longer than what I thought it was going to be, too.
Dive bar.
Period.
With the little,
Ladies,
the
sis.
little guy. Yeah. Tony Jack set it up. I like Jack. Jack's good. I met with him a few times after that Miami fiasco. With the little guy, where?
Don't play with you, bitch. That's why I didn't want to go to nobody else.
You know, Tony Jack.
I don't care, man. People got preferences all the time. You my damn preference. Oh, you can tell I'm tired.
That's why I asked when you coming in.
Wait a minute, why did? Oh, I was rubbing his eye. That's why I was just like, oh my god, what's going on with the eye?
Wearing those fucking
That's
shorts.
it's giving me. It's giving me. I should have went out tonight. It's giving me. Damn it, I'm mad. I gotta go home. That's what it's giving. It's giving. Shit. I'm mad. I'm gonna go right home. Get him, girl.
It's gonna be a problem.
How y'all liking it though? Cute. Mari did her shit for sure. This is the part of the video where I'll shout you out. 2 for 1. So, if you are in the Rockford area and want your shit laid like this, who do they contact?
Mari.
Period. Period. And when you get that booking site back up, I'm finna add that to the description box. Matter of fact, I'm finna add it anyway. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another upload. And I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.
Wanna put your all in, I can picture you ballin', drop top screen fallin'.